Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Srimati Rupti Kakulte, Department of Zoology. Today I am going to discuss about the research. What is meant by research? Simply to search something new, and the definition of research is the search for knowledge or as any systematic investigation to establish the different types of facts. One. The research is taken place on any subject as well as on any topic one. So it is simply the collection of the different thing those are to be taken place at the time of the research one. So the characteristic of research are: first character is systematic, second is logical, third one is empirical, fourth one is reductive, and last one is the replicable. So actually the research is differentiated into two types. The first one is called as a qualitative research, and second one is called as a quantitative research one. So of course the qualitative means the research which is having the quality and having a particular the status of that research one, and quantitative means which is formed on the basis of the fundamental characteristic one. The research are also differentiated into their subtypes. The first type is pure and applied research. Second one is called as the exploratory or the formulatory research. Next one is the descriptive research, diagnostic research, evaluation, action, experimental research, analytical research, and it is also called as the statistical method, historical research, survey research, and the case study. So the types those are to be described here one by one. So the pure and applied research. Pure research which is taken place on particular the knowledge, and the research which is formed on the basis of to study of search the different types of knowledges into particular their topic one. So when the research is occur on the knowledge, then after it is called as a pure research. And what is about the applied research? When the research is occur on the finding solution to the problem, then after it is called as a applied research. So finding of different type solution on the problem, that means when we are do the research at that time we are face the different types of problems, and on that problem we are search, we are discover the different types of solutions. So the research which is based on the solution, those are formed on the basis of the problem, then after it is called as a applied research. So the applied and pure research both are having their purposes. So what is the purpose of pure research? The pure research can be contribute on the new facts. It can be put the theory to reset. It can be aid in the conceptual clarification, and it may be integrate previously existing theories one. So contribute on the new facts, that means when we are do any topic, then after we are to be form the different types of, that means we are search the different types of new facts, then after we are to be put forward a new theory, then after we are to be study about the different types of conceptual classifications, and then after the theories those are previously investigated, then after we are form the different types of investigation searching on the knowledge on the pure research which are to be taken place on the different existing theories one. Then after, what is the purpose of the applied research? So it is offer solution to many practical problems and to find the critical factor to the practical problems one. So pure and applied both are to be included into the qualitative research. Second one is called as a exploratory or formulative research. So what is meant by exploratory research? It is the preliminary study of an unfamiliar problem about which researcher has little or no knowledge. So any research as well as any topic which is taken place for the research and we don't have any knowledge about the research, thereafter it is called as a exploratory research one. What is the purpose of that particular research? So it is give the different types of new ideas. Thereafter it is also responsible for to increase the researcher familiarity with their problem. Thereafter it make a precise formulation for the problem, to gather the information from clarifying concept and to determine whether the possible to be formed attempt to the study one. So when the new ideas which are put forward into the research, then after it is called as a formulative type of research one. And this research which is responsible for to form familiar with the problem, those are to be created at the time of the research one. Thereafter, what is about the descriptive type of research? So the descriptive type of research is the study of fact finding investigation which is inadequate interpretation. It is very simplest type of research, and in many research as well as many researcher are follow the descriptive type of research one. And into that research the main concept is to collect the data which is formed on the basis of the observation, interview and the mail questionnaires one. So first the data collection is the main application which is to be included into the descriptive type of research one. What is the purpose of that? It can be focused directly on the theoretical point. It can be highlight the important methodology aspect of the data collection and the interpretation one. It is also obtained in a research, may be useful for the prediction about the ideas to the social life with side outside in the boundaries of the research. Descriptive research is also form the valuable to providing facts needed for the planning social action program one. So the descriptive research which is also responsible for which is focused directly on their theoretical point one. That means the theory which is to be based on our point, that theory which is to be included as well as that point which is to be directly focused on their points one. Thereafter it is also responsible for to highlight the different types of methodological aspect which are to be going into the data collection as well as their interpretation. Thereafter next one is called as the diagnostic research, as well as it is also called as the diagnostic study research one, which is dedicated towards the discovering what is happening, why it is happening and what can be it done for. So into the diagnostic study, three main things are to be responsible, that is the questions form, what, why as well as the when. So what is the happening,